Welcome and thanks for joining us. In this video, you will learn how to take student attendance in HQ. After watching this video, you'll be able to take the necessary steps for tracking daily attendance during the virtual summer immersion program, as well as how to access attendance reports. Let's dive in. During the virtual summer immersion program, teaching teams are required to take attendance in HQ at the start of class time every day. Once you're logged into your HQ account, you can access the attendance tracker by clicking Attendance at the top right of the navigation toolbar. This will automatically bring you to the current day's attendance tracker. To update attendance for each student, click the question mark icon under Status to change their status to either present or absent. You can also continue to click that icon to reset attendance for each student if needed. After marking a student as present or absent, you can add any necessary notes related to a student's attendance by clicking Insert a Comment under the comment header. After typing your comment into the pop-up box, be sure to click Submit. If needed, you can also update a previous day's attendance records by clicking the date here and selecting whichever previous day you need to update. You can see here we're now viewing the attendance from July 11th. In HQ, you also have the ability to download an attendance report to view attendance for the full program so far. Click the arrow next to Download Attendance to download your program's report, and open the CSV file to view the information. So now you know how to take attendance in HQ, as well as how to access your program attendance reports. Thanks for watching, and please reach out to Girls Who Code if you have any follow-up questions.